In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your AI art and images on Gumroad. If you're an artist or a creator looking to reach a wider audience and monetize your digital artwork, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you're set up smoothly and effectively. First things first, we need to get started by heading over to the Gumroad website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in Gumroad's URL, or simply search for Gumroad using a search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed to help creators like you sell digital products effortlessly. Now, if you're looking to sell your AI-generated art and images, Gumroad is a fantastic platform to utilize. It provides a seamless experience for uploading and sharing your creations with potential buyers. On the main dashboard, look for the Products tab. This is where we'll dive into setting up your new product for sale. Click on Products, and you'll notice an option to create a new product. Give that a click, and you'll be met with a few choices for what type of product you want to list. Since we're focusing on AI art and images, go ahead and select Digital Product. This option is perfect for your needs as it allows you to upload digital files that your customers can download after purchase. Next, it's time to get your art ready for the world to see. You can start uploading your AI art and images directly to the new product page. It's essential to ensure that your digital files are of high quality and properly formatted, so your buyers receive them in the best possible resolution. As you upload, keep in mind that Gumroad allows you to add titles and descriptions to your products. This is your chance to get creative with how you present your work, so take some time to write captivating descriptions that tell the story behind each piece. You're almost at the finish line now. Once you've uploaded your artwork and filled in the necessary product details, you can also set pricing options. Consider the value of your work and what you believe is a fair price based on the time and effort you've invested. Gumroad gives you the flexibility to experiment with pricing strategies, so feel free to adjust these settings as you gain more experience and feedback from your audience. And there you have it. Once everything is in place, you're done and ready to publish your AI art and images for sale. Now your creative works are available to a vast online audience, and you can start generating income from your artistic talent. Keep an eye on your dashboard for sales and update your portfolio with new creations. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started on Gumroad. Feel free to share your journey and successes in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating and selling.